Alright, y'all, I had to restart the video. My battery died, so let's do this video again. I already opened these two boxes, but since my video cut off, I'm gonna have to just show you. But I still got this one open, so don't even worry about it. Here we go. Boom. Got this bad boy right here. Fire. Okay. Alright. That's it for that one, right? Now I can show you this one. This is the one that I couldn't show because the video cut off. We got some fire right here. Mystery box. Pack of NASCAR cards, unopened. What year is this? Says it comes with one auto. What year is this? 2017. Man, it's pretty old. Alright, let's see what's up with this one. We got another blaster box. This is soccer. 2021, 2022. Okay. That's fire. What else we got up in here? Oh, another one. What year is this? 2019. 3 packs. This one don't say nothing about no auto or nothing like that. Alright. What else we got up in here? Oh shoot. We got some fire up in here. Let's see what we got. If he's a rookie. I think he's a rookie, huh? I'm not too familiar with this team. But I know for sure. Look at that boy. That Block Purdy. Block Purdy. What year is this one? 2023, does that say 23 on there? 23, so that's not his rookie. But yeah, that's nice. I mean, is it? Oh no, I'm confused. I swear I thought his rookie was in 2021, but I could be wrong. But yeah, that's fire. 2 fire cards. And we got more. Let's move this box to the side. Let's put these out of the way. Well, since I keep it right there for right now. What we got here? Let's do the packs first. Okay. Got some bonus cards. Got this boy right here. We got this dude. Little rookie. This is old school right here. What year is this? Can't see the year on this one. But yeah, this is definitely old school. New York Knicks. Look at those small shorts though. Dang, I had to play basketball back then. Those tiny shorts. We got a little pack here. Alright, that's fire. A little fire up in there. A little fire. Bam. What we got here? Alright. Got a little sheen, got a little shine to it. It's a new one. And bam, this is the last one. This box. This is number 2. What number is this? Number 999. Number 999 on this dude. Y'all let me know if this is a rookie or not. I don't know what team he plays for. If he any good anyways. Is he? Let's see. Y'all let me know in the comments. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Put this back in the box. And let's open the big box. See what the big box got. What is this? I think these loose cards went in here. Let's see. This out of the way. Let's open the big box. This one. Oh shit, we got some fire. What we got up in here? You know this gotta be old school. 2016, wow. Still in the pack. Where it came from, Target. Look at that old school sticker. Back in the days. It's a Lambo. Yeah, this is a tiny car. Kind of reminds me of the Micro Machines. can't see the back though. That's what it's supposed to look like right there. Yeah, it's like a micro machine, whatever you call those. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got something with a, man, this is old school Pepsi. It's 79 cents. You know that's got to be old. Doesn't even say what year. Does that say 83? Wow. This is 83, dude. Old school Pepsi. That's crazy. That's expensive back in the days. I'm thinking it's heavy too. Matchbox don't usually make their cars heavy like this. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Another one. Guess what year this is? Leave it in the comments. Bam. Let's see. That's the 83. 83 or 93? That's 83. Man, this is old too. 83 or 73? Oh. Kind of look like a 6, but yeah, definitely an 8. It's definitely an 8. Yeah, this is old right here. Look at this. Wow. Old school for real. Let's see. Let's see what else we got up in here. Oh yeah, this is the micro machines. Look at that. That's badass. Oh, the box is pushed in right there. Let's see if I can fix that. Would it push back? Probably been like this for so long. I doubt if it pushes back out. I'll have to figure something out. But that's tight though. Look at that. Old school caddy, what is this? A Chevelle or a Nova? Yeah, that is tight. Let's see if I can fix it so might have to heat it up or something. Made it worse, I think. Let's see. Old school plastic. Oh yeah, let me see what the date on this one is. Old school micro machines. Where's the date on it? I definitely don't see no date. Oh, somebody cut the top off. That was stupid. Why would they do that? that's old. Look at this. 86, 87, 88, 89. That's definitely old. Let's see. I never knew they made it this small. And that shit. Richard Petty. Let's see. What year is this? That was a small. I ain't able to see a date on that. But yeah. That's way too small. Oh, here goes another one. This one's tight. Oh, Mustang right here, fastback. Yeah, these is definitely old, man. What was the date on these? Oh, 2019. That's pretty new. I never seen these before. Alright, let's see what else we got up in here. Something long. What's the heck this is? Oh. No, you can't tell me that ain't tight. That is that old school window. I mean, marble. It's an old school marble game. I'm gonna have to take it off the thing, but look at this shit. That's badass, huh? Put you back up on here real quick. But yeah. So I guess you put your marbles right here and you shoot it. That's it. Put your marble right there and you just shoot it. Boom. And I hit a number up there. But yeah. This is definitely old right here. Let's see if we can see a date on it. No. It's gotta be. This thing has gotta be from the 60s or 50s, dude. This is old school. Dang, that's crazy. I like it though. It's tight. And it folds. You can fold it. That's a badass box right there. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you. Peace.